Japan's transportation system is a marvel of efficiency and convenience. Imagine a world where trains arrive exactly on time, down to the second. Imagine clean, comfortable, and safe public transportation options that whisk you between bustling cities and tranquil countryside. That's the reality of transportation in Japan. Whether you're speeding between Tokyo and Kyoto on a bullet train or navigating the maze-like streets of Osaka on the metro, Japan offers a transportation experience unlike any other. The secret to this seamless system lies in meticulous planning and a commitment to punctuality. Delays are incredibly rare, and when they do occur, they are met with sincere apologies and explanations. But Japan's transportation excellence isn't just about efficiency. It's also incredibly user-friendly, especially for foreign visitors. With a little preparation and an open mind, navigating Japan's trains, subways, and buses is a breeze. The Shinkansen, or bullet train, is Japan's pride and joy, and for good reason. These technological marvels slice through the countryside at speeds of up to 300 kilometers per hour, connecting major cities in record time. A trip from Tokyo to Osaka, a distance of over 500 kilometers, takes just 2.5 hours on the Shinkansen. To put that into perspective, that's like traveling from New York City to Boston in under an hour, but the Shinkansen is just the tip of the iceberg. Japan's railway network extends far beyond its high-speed lines, with local JR, Japan Rail trains, providing a comprehensive network across the country. These local lines connect major cities to smaller towns and villages, offering a glimpse into the heart of Japan. And then there are the private lines, each with its own unique charm and character, from the nostalgic romance of a scenic mountain railway to the modern convenience of a city metro. Getting around Japan's crowded cities is a breeze, thanks to their extensive and efficient metro systems. Tokyo, in particular, boasts one of the world's most impressive metro networks, with 13 interconnected lines spanning the entire metropolis. Osaka, Kyoto, and other major cities also have well-developed metro systems that make getting around easy. Taxis are plentiful in Japan, especially in urban areas, and offer a comfortable, albeit somewhat pricey, mode of transportation. While most taxi drivers may not speak fluent English, they are generally helpful and will get you where you need to go with a polite smile. And don't forget about the buses. While not as flashy as the trains, Japan's bus system is incredibly reliable and an economical option for exploring both cities and rural areas. One of the keys to navigating Japan's transportation system with ease is understanding the concept of IC cards. These rechargeable cards, such as Suica or Pasmo, are your ticket to seamless travel. Simply tap your card on the reader when entering and exiting train stations or buses, and the fare is automatically deducted. No fumbling with coins or deciphering complicated ticket machines. When using public transportation in Japan, it's important to be mindful of local customs and etiquette. Noise levels on trains and buses are generally kept low, and conversations are held in hushed tones. Eating and drinking are generally frowned upon, except for discreet sips of water, and when in doubt, observe those around you and follow their lead. Remember, a little cultural sensitivity goes a long way in making your Japan adventure even more enjoyable. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.